everyone, welcome to my channel for those of you that are new, and welcome back to my channel for those of you that have been here before. My name is Alex and this is Lexi's Travel Bug. Today we are getting ready to pack for a weekend cruise that we're going on this weekend. So go ahead, grab your bags and let's pack together. I really like this nesting set of Samsonite luggage. It has a lock on the side. It's a TSA approved lock. It has the large, a small is in there, and I am taking the medium one on our weekend cruise. It does have a really nice expanding section. It also has a little zippered pocket on the inside and the little hooks so that we put here, and the mesh pocket on this side. So let me go ahead and gather up everything that I'm going to pack and we can get started. All right, so I like to use packing cubes. I know a lot of people don't like them. They are not the most efficient use of space, but I'm okay with that, especially for a short sailing like this one or for short weekend trips. So in here, I have all of my bras, my underwear, my bathing suits, all of my under-e garments. I also have my bathing suit cover-up all in there. In this one, I'm going to place 3 dresses that I'm going to use for the evenings on the ship. I also have 3 sets of shorts with tank tops to wear with them. I'm going to go gather up some more things and see what I can use to fill up this space. Maybe a spirit jersey or a cardigan or something so that this isn't floppy. These always work best when all of the extra space is filled up inside of them. All right, so I have the second packing cube in here. I did ended up adding 2 pairs of leggings, another t-shirt, and a cardigan, and it still has space where I can squish stuff around. I'll put more stuff here on the side. I'll probably put my shoes over here, and then here I'll start filling in all of the other items, toiletries, water items, tech gear, all that kind of stuff. So let's go gather up some more. All right, so I've got a battery charging, so this stuff is not ready to be packed yet, but I have a tech case that holds my 2 GoPros. There's a space here for the camera that I am using right now. This is the battery charger, or the battery case for my GoPros. It holds 3 at once. I only have 2 that need charging, so that's why they're only in there. I can charge it, and I can charge this on the go. It's nice and slim that I can put it into a pocket, and I can charge this on the go with my battery bank. So this battery bank will charge my iPhone 12 Pro Max about 3 or 4 times, which is a lot of power. I can even get some juice on my iPad. It will not charge my iPad completely, but it'll bring it back from dying or bump it up a little bit if I need to. I also travel with this USB hub that plugs into the wall, so I don't have to have a bunch of different plugs. I can just use them all here. I also have a fast charger from a Seaport. I always travel with this case. I used to keep it in my work bag, and now that I work from home, it just kind of roams around the house with me. It has a lot of extra charger cables, including for my Apple Watch, spare cables of all kinds. I have a spare C wall charger, and everything just nicely fits in here and gets zipped up and all comes with me. And then here I have different attachments for the GoPro. I have the water one that'll help it float, a selfie stick, another little selfie stick. This one doesn't really extend, it's more like a handle, but it's also a tripod if we need it to be. And then this is the handle for the camera that I'm talking to you on now. And some attachments for the GoPro that go along with our face snorkel mask. There's another one out in the living room. I just need to put this one with it so we can pack them. I really like these. I've tried snorkeling in the past and I just haven't been able to. This is a full face kind. It has a snorkel that attaches right up here. It's right there. And it allows you to breathe pretty much normally with my allergies and my asthma, no matter how much I tell myself that I have no problem with breathing in the water. I'm not going to drown. I'm not going to die. My brain and my lungs just don't cooperate. So my husband got me one of those and it's been a game changer. I can't wait to go snorkeling with it for the first time. So far, we've only used it in the pool, and I've gotten some great experience in the pool, but I'm ready to go use it in the water. So here we go. Hey, you can't go on the cruise. You're not a service animal. No. Just because you say yes doesn't mean you can go. Say, Dad, Mom won't let me go on the cruise. O'Malley, you can't go. We talked about these little bottles before. They are called Human Gear is the brand. I like them because they have this really big opening at the top and you can easily put any kind of stuff in there. And then this rim actually completely comes off. You can see it's soft and silicone, so you can clean it out really well. And these even have a locking mechanism. Make sure that's tightened. Flip it up, and this cannot open. It opens from this side. So we'll keep them nice and secure. So I'll put all of these away and lock them off. And I have my body wash, my shampoo, and my conditioner. And I use these normally. You just saw I just grabbed them out of my shower. I use these year round now, not just when I'm traveling. Also, I'm gonna pack up all of my face products. Make a mess in the process, why not? And I really like this because it is pretty slim. I'm going to put some more stuff in here, but it's pretty slim. It packs up really nicely into my suitcase, and it has a little hanging hook for when I'm ready to put it up. This is also from the same Human Gear line as the bottles. This is just a little snapping tub. And in here I keep just clear hair ties. And in a larger one, here I keep clips and bobby pins and all that kind of stuff. I have a really bad habit of forgetting my toothbrush, so I'm going to use a spare toothbrush tonight, and I'm going to pack up my toothbrush already. Had to use my husband's toothbrush on more than one occasion when we travel. Just for some reason, just can't remember to keep it packed. Face scrubby. Should be enough to wash my face. Q-tips, and that might oh, this is a lip scrub for when I take off my lipstick. It's from a blogger that I follow, Cat Eye Cosmetics. She's also a flight attendant, so I have a few of her things I'm going to take with me. Let me make sure I pack this, and I might be ready to go this time. Let me take this one too. Alright, this might be ready to go. Alright, so for my makeup and things, I have this little bag. It's a smaller version of my big one. I take this one on longer trips, but for the weekend, this one's fine. So there's some stuff that always stays in here. I have a travel size of my Urban Decay. I have another one of Ulta Beauty. I've never used this one, but I have it, so it's going to come with me. And I have some small travel size of some other, my mascara and my eyeliner and my eye primer. I also have a teeny tiny little travel naked Urban Decay there, and my chapstick that I have a ton of these around the house. And my setting spray, I have a bigger version right there. but I always keep this little one in my bag. Just gonna see what else we're gonna throw in here. I'm gonna take my brushes. Not this one. I'm gonna take this one, and these two, and my bronzer. So maybe on the side, and my setting powder. Oh, I'm gonna take the clear one. For my eyeshadows, these don't fit in here. I'll just put them in my bag. These are two new, well, I have 3 palettes, but I'm going to take 2 with me. This one is more brown tones. I'm really loving this one, and this one. These are the 3 that I use the most often. And then this pink one, not the pink one. This is the pink one. I'm going to take the pink one and the darker one. So I'll pack these separately. I also need to grab some lipsticks. Yes, these are all, if you're seeing a consistency, these are all the same person. So this is Cheshire. It is my absolute favorite. And this one is Cat's Meow. It's amazing red. It looks awesome on me. And let me take a more nude pink. Got your tongue. I like this one. And then she also just came out with, I know this says lashes. There's not lashes in here. Well, there's some lashes in here. These are lashes, but I'm not wearing those. Let's take a shimmery gloss. Let's take this one. I haven't worn this one yet. So we're going to take this one. And I do like to line my lips sometimes when I wear these. That's not the color I like to line them. I might have put it somewhere that I don't know what it is now. So it might not be coming with us. Here's my pink. And this might be, yep, that's my red. And in here I have my, anything else that I need. Oh, my blush. This is from Shine. I think that's all. Oh, duh. I really need my sunscreen. This one hasn't worn it. So some sunscreen that I wear every day, some lipsticks. Alright. Looks like this little package is ready to go into my suitcase. Alright, so I've got my sunglasses and my glasses. I'm currently wearing contacts, but I always take these with me just in case. I also have spare contacts in solution, some whites. If you're taking whites on a cruise, do not flush them. These only go in the garbage. Do not flush. I've also showed this to you in some of my other videos. I always like to carry around these Gatorade Zeros. I can put them into my water bottles, and they help me drink water more. My makeup case that I already showed you, and then all of my tech cases that we already talked about. They all fit nicely in these little cubbies. Oh, mostly. This one's new. Alright, so it fits there. Let's see. What else? These two will fit nicely right here. I have my visor. A better place for that. We have our bag for when we are in the islands. Specifically on this cruise, we're going to Bahamas and to Nassau and to Perfect Day at Coco Cay. We probably won't get off the ship in Nassau, but we will in Perfect Day. So I have a very themed out here Royal Caribbean bag. We have towel clips, regular sunscreen, and then my tanning spray, towel clips. And I always have a couple hankies in my bag. And then after sun lotion, this will stay in the room. It won't go into the island with us, but I always keep it in that bag when we're traveling. And I'll squish this stuff all down better when I have 2 arms. It has a lock on it just because I take this when I go to the gym also. That's the only reason. So that fits a little better there. Now that fits. I still have a space back here, some space on the side. This mamma jamma, once I fill in this space here, the toiletry bag will go right on top. I need to figure out something to fill with. I'll steal some stuff from my husband. Or I also have our snorkels. So I'm going to put the masks. There we go. That fits. And that fits. Let's figure out a place for the other one. That fits. And this is all soft stuff on the other side, so I don't mind if it sticks up a little bit. It'll be fine. And this can probably go here. I think I'm packed. It'll take a purse that has our travel documents and vaccination cards, and I have extra masks over there already. This is really hard to do with one hand. There we go. It's called determination to not put the camera down. Come on. There we go. One hand. So I'll close this up. This bag is expanded. So I can close it with one hand. It is all packed. Yes, I'm taking up all the space. If I feel there's enough leeway, I just collapse this back down. Let's see if I can do it. I'm not sure I can do it with one hand. And this gives the bag more sturdiness. Yeah, I'll be able to close this. I just need a second hand to get it done. And that's it. Good thing is, going on a cruise, you don't have to worry about how much your bag weighs. That's it. All packed. And ready for our cruise. We leave tomorrow. I am going to work half a day tomorrow before we head out. I'll take some video on there and I'll have another post up for you guys soon. We're going on a 3-night cruise on the Freedom of the Seas. We have a junior suite for the first time. I'm really excited about that. I've never had anything bigger than just a standard balcony. There you go. Never had anything bigger than just a standard balcony, so I'm really excited about that. We'll take some videos, take you along with us, and we're gonna have a great time. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.